Today I'm going to show you how you can customize the watermark on your photos in Oppo A95. So in the first step, open the camera app, now tap on the settings icon and look for the watermark. Now, as you can see, there have a few options to edit. We can choose that we want to add the watermark to the photos, videos, or both of them. Enter the custom text. If you want to do it, just tap on it, enter the text by the keyboard and click on the save. You can also add the voice model, location, date and time. If you need to change the font size, you can do it here. Remember that you have a preview and the position of the watermark. So just add with the settings turned on, go back to camera and take your photo. Now the customized watermark should appear in the left upper corner. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment and goodbye.